Get ready, because the action camera world is about to experience a massive shakeup. And this time, it's coming straight from DJI, the brand that gave us the legendary drones and the rock-solid Osmo Action line is now reportedly preparing to unleash something absolutely next level, the IE. DJI Osmo Action 6, a device so powerful that early leaks are already calling it a GoPro killer. And if you think that's an exaggeration, wait till you hear what's coming. The Action 6 is rumored to feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, something we've never seen in a compact action camera before. That's right. A full 1-inch sensor in a tiny, rugged body, capable of capturing details and light in ways no other action cam ever could. This single upgrade alone could change everything. Sharper images, richer colors, better low-light performance, and cinematic dynamic range that brings every frame to life. Imagine capturing your late-night rides, underwater dives, or mountain hikes, and having every shot look like a professional film. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution in the way we record motion. According to early reports, DJI isn't holding back on performance either. Leaks suggest the Action 6 will support 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 FPS, and a silky smooth 4K at 120 FPS for those slow-motion cinematic shots everyone loves. That's absolutely insane for a camera of this size, putting it way ahead of GoPro's current lineup, and even rivaling small cinema cameras in resolution and clarity. And of course, stabilization is where DJI has always flexed its muscles. And this time it's expected to debut Rocksteady 4.0, alongside an upgraded AI Horizon Steady system, meaning even if you flip, roll, or spin, your footage stays perfectly level and unbelievably smooth. Whether you're skydiving, surfing, or tearing through the desert on an ATV, your shots will look as stable as if they were filmed on a gimbal. That's the magic DJI's engineers are known for. But hold on, because it gets even crazier. One of the most exciting leaks reveals that the Osmo Action 6 might come with smartwatch integration. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine being able to control your camera straight from your Apple Watch or Garmin, checking your live view, starting and stopping recordings, and even overlaying your heart rate, speed, GPS, and altitude data directly onto your footage in real time. That's futuristic. You could show your actual pulse during a cliff jump, your speed during a bike ride, or your elevation during a hike, all embedded into your video automatically. No post-editing, no extra software, just pure, smart synchronization between your body and your camera. Now let's talk design. Leaked prototype images suggest the Action 6 will look familiar, but slightly bigger, probably to fit that larger sensor and improved cooling system. Yet it still keeps that rugged, waterproof DNA we expect from DJI. We're talking waterproofing up to 20 meters without a housing, dual color screens, front and rear, both brighter and sharper than before, and an ultra-tough outer shell designed for extreme environments. The front screen makes vlogging and framing super easy, while the back touchscreen reportedly offers faster touch response and better visibility in sunlight, something creators have been asking for. Connectivity and battery life are also getting major upgrades. According to insider sources, the Action 6 will include Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, and potentially even built-in storage up to 64 GB, in addition to a microSD slot for expansion. That means faster transfers, less lag, and more reliability when shooting in the field. The new 1950 mAh battery could offer over 4 hours of 4K recording, which is unheard of for action cams. And yes, that includes better power management and heat control, two of the biggest complaints users had about earlier models. Speaking of heat, 8K recording can generate serious temperature buildup, but reports claim DJI has redesigned the internal structure with advanced heat dissipation vents and possibly even a micro-cooling chamber to prevent overheating during long sessions. That's a massive deal for professional creators who record long rides or sports events without breaks. So, when is it coming? All signs point to an official announcement around October 24, 2025, according to multiple credible sources and FCC database leaks. DJI usually drops a teaser about a week before a product reveal, so we could see official footage or confirmation any day now. The rumored price sits somewhere between $329 and $429 for the standard model and $479 to $579 for the adventure combo, which could include extra batteries, mounts, and accessories. For what it's offering, that price sounds almost too good to be true. It's competitive enough to challenge GoPro directly while offering features that feel years ahead. But as always, there are questions. Will the bigger sensor make the camera heavier? Can it stay compact enough to mount on helmets and drones comfortably? And can DJI truly manage the heat during extended 8K recording? Those are fair concerns. But knowing DJI's track record, from drones to gimbals to cameras, they've proven time and again that they know how to balance power with performance. The impact this camera could have on the entire action camera industry is huge. For years, GoPro has ruled the space almost unchallenged, while DJI steadily refined its Osmo Action line, learning what creators want most. Now, the Action 6 seems ready to take all that feedback and push beyond every limitation: better low-light shots, smoother stabilization, longer battery life, and smarter tech integration. This could be the first time an action cam truly bridges the gap between compact design and professional cinema quality. Just imagine an 8K stabilized camera the size of your palm. That's not science fiction anymore. That's the future DJI's building. The leaks also mention possible AI-assisted auto-editing tools within the DJI Mimo app, allowing creators to shoot, edit, and share directly from their phones within seconds. That's perfect for vloggers, travelers, and social media creators who don't want to spend hours in post-production. You record your adventure, open the app, and boom. It creates an auto-edited highlight reel with music, color grading, and transitions, ready to post to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. If all of this turns out to be true, the Osmo Action 6 might not just compete, it could dominate. It could make GoPro rethink its entire product strategy. Because once people experience 1-inch sensor quality in such a compact, rugged form factor, there's no going back. The details, the clarity, the depth of field, it'll look like a mini cinematic camera that just happens to survive extreme conditions. DJI seems to be going all in on innovation, while keeping the price approachable for creators, vloggers, and adventure junkies alike. Imagine taking this on your next trip, the ability to capture studio-grade visuals on a mountain, underwater, or while snowboarding, all without worrying about stabilization, focus, or lighting. Every frame would look polished, crisp, and alive. And there's one more reason everyone's buzzing. DJI's AI Horizon Steady Tech is rumored to use machine learning to predict movement before it happens, adjusting stabilization in real time. That's wild. It means the camera doesn't just react to motion, it anticipates it. So whether you're flipping a dirt bike or diving into waves, your shot stays balanced like magic. Combine that with rumored HDR video capture and 10-bit color depth, and you've got pro-level visuals right out of the box. Early FCC photos show a slightly redesigned body with an improved grip texture and bigger buttons, perfect for gloves or wet conditions. That attention to detail is exactly what made DJI products fan favorites. So yeah, the DJI Osmo Action 6 might just be the next big leap in portable filmmaking. It's like DJI looked at every pain point of action cameras, low light issues, battery life, overheating, color compression, and said, let's fix them all in one go. If they deliver on these leaks, we could be looking at the new gold standard of action cameras. Whether you're a content creator, a sports lover, or just someone who loves capturing life's craziest moments, this camera could completely change the way you film. The level of anticipation right now is massive, and every new leak adds more fuel to the fire. So keep your eyes peeled, because once DJI officially drops the Osmo Action 6, it's going to send shockwaves across YouTube, TikTok, and every adventure filmmaking community out there. So what do you think? Can DJI finally dethrone GoPro this time? Or is this just